Oh, got trains.
Chugga chugga choo choo.
That's trains. See trains? You don't like that one? No good? Okay.
Yeah. Is that the house and the mouse in the house?
That was no good either?
No. More different ones. Okay.
That was all good? Okay. Let's put these ones back so you can take them right back out.
About 10 little fingers, 10 little toes.
Careful.
Yeah, that's it. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Where's the baby? There's baby. Yeah, baby. Papa opened for you.
We tried that route. Papa got hit in the face.
Look,
Here.
babies.
No, slow it down there, Cochise. There we go. Yeah, one page at a
Say,
time.
where baby?
Where's baby. Baby. Where's he get that fat lip? Hold on there. There you go. What are these? Hens? Yeah.
Oh, you're going to show bananas again?
What's this?
Show
Feet.
foot. Toes.
Yeah.
Yeah, banana. What's that? Oh, they're babies.
What is this?
Oh, more babies.
More babies. Yeah, babies.
Yeah, that's
What's this?
another baby.
Baby? Yeah. Careful.
Pumpkin. Snowman. He's having some medicine, isn't he? The baby have medicine? Yeah, baby. Where's the bunny rabbit? See bunny rabbit? Yeah? Where is the bunny rabbit? I see bunny rabbit.
Nothing wrong with this. You're a nerd. Hey, pumpkins? Oh boy.
Yeah, that's a good one too, huh? It's a little heavy for the baby. Yeah, it's a little heavy for the baby, isn't it? Papa, help.
Well, you don't have to do it in front of you. How about over here?
Whoa. What's that, birdie? Say book time with Mia. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say, who am I saying bye-bye to?